Like 1:30. That's normally when I'm going to bed these days. You know, that's early though. That's early for me.
You gotta get your sleep somehow.
Facts. But it's crazy. Even with me going to bed like between 12:30 and 1:30, I've been feeling more energized. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, definitely. I bet, especially with that personal trainer.
Bro, Mick's been killing me, bro.
Yo,
Great.
how you been eating?
I've been eating good. Um, he gave me the nutrition plan, so we've been getting it done. And for me, it's the fat boy's paradise, believe it or not. And I told him that yesterday. He was cracking up laughing. He's like, bro, I love to hear that. Because most people would not say that. I'm like, bro, I was carnivore for almost 2 years. So the fact that I could eat bread with eggs, the fact that I get peanut butter with a protein shake, oh, fat boy's paradise.
Yeah, I bet you loving it, boy.
Oh, I am. And I'm actually happy, right, that I did do carnivore for such a long time. Because before, if I would eat the way I'm eating now, I would be tired of it. You know what I'm saying? Just from always trying to do different meal plans, everything like that. So I had a nice little break from all of it. So now that I'm doing it again, it feels good. Good morning, Smooth. Good morning, sir. Hopefully all you guys on the tube are feeling ready and dialed in today. I had to throw the shirt on today. You know what I'm saying? I was in the store yesterday. I saw the shirt. I'm like, you know what? That looks like a Friday stream shirt right there. So I had to throw it on. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's the weekend, boys. Like, we got to make our money so we can relax.
Looks like a payout Friday.
Hey, I like that. So I'm gonna have to do a poll if we're gonna call it payout Fridays or a full port Fridays. Smooth, I got you, boy. I got you.
Payout seems more promising, enticing.
True, but full port, you know what I'm saying? People, we may have to alternate. One week it's full port Fridays, the next weekend like payout Friday from the full port. You know what I'm saying? Let me check my audio levels real quick just to make sure we're crispy. Gotta be crispy for y'all. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Good morning, Rob. How's the trading been going for you? Yeah, we gonna make those monies a day. I'm looking for some good old flags with some good old momentum. And boy, oh boy, if I traded the London session last night, listen, I would not be streaming today. I would have printed so much money on how we were dropping throughout the overnight. Like, ooh wee. Okay.
ATM, you see how it's going?
Yeah. The only thing for me with like the overnight sessions, right? If you're doing like running an ATM, I feel like you gotta kind of have a big stop loss because it likes to like consolidate and chop for a little bit before it actually starts doing a move.
Yeah, I guess you're right. You would have to be in the trade that you're already up so much, and then you set a stop loss to where you'll still be in the green. Yeah, I get what you're saying. It goes up and down, and then it's really like what you get left with.
Yeah. Hey, Smooth, you're gonna make it back, bro. You're gonna make it back. Remember, base hits. Base freaking hits. And you'll get it. What is this camera doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It'll be in that Trump session from yesterday.
What's up, Motion? Good morning, sir. The market makers are echoing. Okay, let me check that.
You hear me echoing?
I may have just had it too loud. Let me. Is that better? Is that better, guys? Let me know when they talk again. I just dropped it. I think it was echoing because I had it too loud on my computer here. Take what the market gives us. 100%, bro. 100%. No, I know I sound clear. I always sound clear, sir. Rob said some of the market makers were echoing. But we'll see here in a little bit. All right, it's 9:26. Let's see where everything's at. So we got the 21 EMA. The 21 EMA on my 2-minute chart, 618. 618 there. We got a morning G. Good morning, sir. We have that pivot point below us right now. 583.25. VWAP, the VWAP, which I highly recommend you have on your chart. 77450. 77450. Then the close from yesterday, 822. 822 even. It's the close from yesterday. For the overnight session, it came on down. So with that being said, we have no news today. Today's a no news Friday. We're not full porting. We're base hitting. We want to go into the weekend green. With that being said, whatever strategy you're using, trust your strategy. When you see it, execute. Do not hesitate when you see your strategy playing. Take it. Because I'm base hitting today. If I base it a little bit, I may take another payout today. Who knows? Because one of my market makers said, we got to change the name for Fridays to Payout Fridays. You know what I'm saying? Payout Fridays. So.
Look at that 15-minute chart, man. What do you think it's going to do in that opening range? Because that 15-minute chart looks like it's just taking cash right now for when it opens. I'm hoping it'll go.
Looking at the 15 right now. Let's see what we got here. Let me give me some lines. We had one bear flag. I feel like this may be a little fake out right now. The slight push up, possibly, because it printed a secondary bear flag right here. It tried to do another one. We did go down on it. This may be, as BP would say, a liquidity grab. Taking some people's money before it continues lower. You know what I'm saying? For me right now, honestly, we do have that gap up to the close from yesterday, 822, which is in place since we got that VWAP up there as well. So I just want to see how the market truly opens here so we can figure out exactly what direction it wants to move in. Because for me, I don't care if we going up or down. As long as we getting clean movement today, I'm happy. Because that 5-minute, nothing but green candles right there.
Yeah, nice. Right now on indicators, the candle hitting the SMA and the market about to open in a second.
Yeah, we got less than a minute for market open here. And we're going to print some money. I got this shirt yesterday at the store. I'm like, you know what? I like that shirt. That looks like I need that for a Friday night stream or a Friday stream. I'm like, so I grabbed it. My girl's like, why are you getting that? I'm like, it looks like a going to the weekend type shirt. So we had to. This weekend, I'm not saying what day, not saying what night. I will be giving away more Apex and some maybe Tradeify and Lucid accounts. So make sure you're on the Trader Hangouts 9:30 p.m. Eastern so you can potentially win some. Good morning, Lucas. There's market open. There is market open right there. I'm waiting until 9:45. 9:45 is when my bell actually dings, so to speak, because I let the market settle before I start to execute. Note to self, don't trade the first 15 minutes. It's very volatile and choppy. And you don't want to get chopped up before the day even really started. Smooth, I feel bad for your ducks, bro. Maybe next time.
I feel like whichever way it's gonna go is just gonna pop.
Possibly. But I want to see some like flags for the pops. You know what I'm saying? I want to see us like printing multiple bull flags if we're going to continue up. They're still echoing. That's weird. Yeah, that's turned off. I don't know. The OBS is weird sometimes. It chooses when it wants to be right and chooses when it wants to be wrong, sadly. Sorry for the light echo you get from the market makers.
That's so you can hear us twice. Make sure you heard us right.
OBS wants to make sure you're truly hearing what they're saying. That's all. Jose, are you gonna be in town next month or no?
So yeah, I'm gonna be in town from the 10th until the 17th, I think, or the 18th.
Okay, perfect. Because what I'm doing, you know how I've been on the trading tour traveling the world, you know what I'm saying? Meeting up with traders. We're gonna do a Orlando, Florida traders meetup. I'm gonna rent out some bays at Top Golf, and we're gonna all the market makers that are local. We're all gonna pull up. We're gonna have some fun, hit some golf balls, talk trading, talk life, and just vibe.
Don't
So,
disturb my golf swing.
trust me, I can't golf whatsoever. So I'm looking at the 11th or the 18th. So I'll probably do the 11th, just so that way I can make sure you're there.
Okay, well, the 18th might be better.
Okay.
Just because my niece's birthday is that weekend. And
Okay.
we're gonna be at a hotel, so.
Hey,
I'm
we can
down.
do the
I'm
18th.
down for it.
I figure you would be. You know what I'm saying? It's free food and all that. Might as well, right? It's kind of hard to not want free. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Free food? Oh, it's calling my name. Small big boy problems.
yeah. All right. This market popped up a little bit, coming back down now. So looking at this 2-minute, is this going to be? Was this a bear flag right there? I wouldn't say so because of thing. Because of thing.
Wayne would like to see a flag after 9:45.
Look at that 5-minute chart. That's a bear flag to me.
No. You said the 5-minute chart?
Yeah.
No, that's not a bear flag, bro.
Right there.
Yeah, that's the poll. Yep, good job. That's the poll. Then I want to see us build. Who's that? Duane's robot. Rob, that is Steve. He just jumped on the stream. He has talk to text on his computer, so now he clicks buttons where it says Duane would like to see a flag. Can I get Renko chart on TradingView? You can. You have to pay for it. Not to me. To TradingView.
Come on, where do we give you money? Would that solve anything?
Nope. All right, we're dropping here. We went through that pivot, and we're coming on down here. Man, like, look at that freaking pole, boys. Like, if that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what would. Just saying.
It's like you're at the Orlando Eye watching the performer.
470 on that trade.
See, I knew someone was going to say something. There we go. Market makers are already making money. I really need to see a flag. Come on, Betsy. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're having a safe Friday morning so far. Market's dropping. Hey, Rob's up 400. We got people in the chat, people in the market makers, all printing money so far. And your boy's on the sideline, sadly.
Yeah, but you gotta tell them the whole truth. That you choose to be on the sideline, and it's admirable why.
That is true. I do choose to sit on the sidelines. The first 15 minutes is one of my rules. And it helps me mentally tell myself I have discipline. Because waiting the first 15 minutes is one of the hardest things you can ever do as a trader. Just saying.
For the first 15 minutes, you're omelet. I mean, seriously, though.
All right, let's see. We start building us a flag here. This is what I want to see. Maybe we go all the way back to that pivot point, building structure before we go lower. That's what I would be looking for, personally. And hopefully it takes about 10 minutes to do, and then I'll be able to jump in on it. Oof. Oof. This thing's still coming. Coming on down. Oh, I'm sorry, people. I'm sorry. Your boy is feeling nice today.
You look like you're in Hawaii with that shirt, man.
You know, I figured, you know what I'm saying, we wanted to set the weekend mood on today's stream, you know what I'm saying? So, saw this shirt, I'm like, you know what? We need that for Friday's stream.
Well, you know what? You know I'm the king of the weekend.
That you are.
You see when I fire up the grill, and I'm not saying that I know cheap Bluetooth, like crap, man. I'm cooking over hickory, and you know how it turns out.
Oh, yeah.
There ain't no reminder on my phone how to cook.
That's
I'm so sick of it. It's like you go into the store and be like, I'm gonna like have a counterfeit of like real talent. Nah. Make it big or go home, like the old school style.
We almost tapped that pivot point. We did not tap that pivot there. But I'm hoping that we could probably get like one more candle, 1 or 2 candles here, to really show us a nice clean bear flag to take it lower. I would prefer the candles to be underneath the pivot, personally. That's my personal preference. Well, let's see what we get here.
EMA, where is your EMA on the 2 minute?
Well, if you were here on time, sir, you would have heard it.
My wife is off today. So
I'm I'm joshing you, sir. 608.25. 608.25.
Okay, so still have that gap. All right, and EMA or VWAP, please.
VWAP is up for me on the 2 minute, right at 7:49.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
We're all over the damn place. All right.
Hey, full pour Fridays. All right, let me clean my glasses. It's 9:38. You know, I gotta clean the glasses so I don't get tempted to jump in the markets here.
Time, like really draw it out.
What's up, Art? Good morning, sir.
Hey, Dwayne, I still say that you should do like a self-funded account. Just you don't have to trade all the time, but just do like a fun, you know, like you have a theme song like Rocky, and then you like create that one account like every so often.
I'm good with that.
Well, you say you're good with it, but make it happen. So,
All right, bro. All right. Next week we'll trade the Ninja brokerage account.
I mean, I know that, and I understand. I understand that's your main focus, but it's just fun. You can put it up to the people on YouTube. I think they would agree, man. It'd be cool to have that one outlier. You know what I mean?
That one theme song account. I got you.
Yep.
Come on, get it 9:45. Your boy's ready to trade. We tapped that 21 EMA as well there. Let's see what we get. I feel like this may be building us a nice bear flag possibly on the 2 minute there. And it's just waiting for me to be clear to trade, to execute. Because hey, if I accidentally make like $4,000 on one of my select funded accounts with Tradeify, Your boy may just take a 3K payout on it. Just because.
Accident on purpose.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not going to push for $4 grand on one account. That is not my MO for today. I'm just going to base it like usual. But if it happens, it happens. You know what I'm saying? We ain't complaining.
No, yeah, we love it.
All right, we're above this 21 EMA right now. I would want to see the bears to start to step in around this area to hold this price down. Because it could be possibly building us a nice, clean A+ bear flag if the bears step in and hold this price down. I don't want it going higher than where the price is currently at. So we do have selling pressure, but I need the bears to keep the structure in this area before we drop.
That 5 minute chart, boy, you called it.
What's up, Joseph?
Hey, Carmona, have you taken
Oh, not.
a trade yet?
What's up, bro?
Just got me in the trade, got me out of it too. I got my stop loss at 300, and I'm down 300 so far.
Slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady.
Yeah, you'll bring it back, man. You're like, you kick ass, dude.
Here comes this structure. Let's get through this pivot. And this is I'm chomping on the bit right now, boys. Like, this is looking way too good right now. Because we get below this pivot, that is going to be a textbook bear flag. Once we get below this pivot, ooh Nellies. That's all I'm gonna say. Ooh Nellies. That's my saying for today. Not seeing. Oh, I'm seeing a nice old bear flag trying to print. If we get below this pivot.
I'm actually going through a reboot right now because, you know, the charts were open for last night, so see if it, like, lines up better.
What's up, Kenneth? Got you right here on the wall, Finn. You're on the wall with me, bro. Good morning, or good evening, or good night, whatever you are, wherever you're at. All right, come on, let's get. We need a stable. All right, oh boy, we're below that pivot. All righty. Oh, Nellies. All right, I got 2 minutes. I got 2 minutes. I gotta wait. Whoo! Don't drop without me. I may have to take this. I may have to take this if we come closer to my yellow line. Because I was watching the structure get built out. Let me actually move this down. There we go. Moved it down so it keeps me out of the market until we get closer to it. But I want to see momentum underneath this pivot if we're going to continue lower. If we don't have the momentum to the downside, that's okay. We'll look for a bull flag. But I'm looking for a bear flag currently. You're still trying to understand how you see these flags? Well, if we stayed below the pivot point, let me get some more lines and I'll draw it here. Oh, let's not do that. So you build the flag off of the pole. Like, so if it's a bear flag, you want to have a strong red pole, right? So we have the strong red pole. Now we want the flag. For a bear flag, it's an upside down flag. So we want the structure going in an upward direction. And when we come down to the bottom of the yellow line right here, we'd be looking for the short. That's what I'm waiting for right now. It's 9:45 too. Ooh, Nelly's 15-minute range is about to be fully completed in less than a minute now. Let's see if the bears can hold this price down here. And if a candle the structure of the flag goes more than 50% of the pole, it negates the flag. It makes it a little bit more risque if you're trying to still take it. So we just passed over 50% of the pole. So now I'll be a little bit more like, I got to see the momentum for the downside if I was going to take the trade. But if it's just a wick with showing a lot of selling pressure, I'll take that. Yeah, I'll wait because it negated, but they're still showing a lot of selling pressure for the bear flag, and vice versa for the bull flag. A bull flag's the standard flag that you see flapping on a regular pole. All right, yep. So this flag ain't gonna be paying. All right, 15-minute range is completed. Let me give you the low of the range. 532. 532 is the low of the 15-minute range. The high of the range is sitting right at 66375. 66375 for the high. It looks like it. I'm not touching it. I am clear to trade now, but I gotta see a flag with momentum. I'm trying to keep the week green. I'm not trying to go in the weekend red.
Yeah, no, yeah. Red wouldn't pair nicely with your blue and green shirt.
Right? Thank you.
I noticed of all like the cool lights you have in your room, none of them are red because you're not a bull. You know, like a four-legged bull. You're not a bull on here, but green, baby, green.
Yeah, I never put red because I don't want that messing with y'all either mentally, because everything's psychology. You know what I'm saying? That's why I have green, or I'll do like a blue because blue's like more of a neutral, but I do green and blue because you want the green. You know what I'm saying? You don't want red.
That's it.
Patiently waiting here. We got no news today. Not sure if Trump's going to talk today. Who knows?
I've been getting kind of like news alerts, but they're very sporadic. The one thing I just did see was the Senate was able to finally agree on the funding the TSA. Like Trump said he was going to fund it, but now the Senate was able to come up with a funding thing without all the reforms that were being pushed to lock it up. So,
Yeah.
so hopefully that was the only thing I saw, but I didn't see like any other info.
No, the flag, like I said, was negated because we pushed 50% more of the poll. So if the flag portion pushes more than 50%, it negates the actual flag itself. Warrior, it happens, bro. It happens, fam. It sucks. Trust me, it sucks. But it happens to all of us, bro. We're above that 21 EMA. We're creeping to the high of this 15-minute range here. But I have not gotten a bull flag. On the 5-minute we had a bull flag, but even that one I wouldn't have taken because it had too much of the crazy wicks. You got a wick on the bottom, wick on the top. You just don't know which direction it wants to go. Now we're getting selling pressure right here. Good morning, Brett. Do I trade cup and handles? No, I've never looked at that pattern, to be honest with you. It's just a cup and handle. I'm just looking for the flags with momentum. You know what I'm saying?
The way you said momentum would be like epic on like a album track, like momentum.
Momentum.
I trade momentum. The Get down. You know what I mean? You start flowing. Like, you know when you have too much sparkling water, all of a sudden you're just spitting like thick lime.
Yep, I understand that one. Actually, I haven't really been drinking sparkling water lately.
You said it was messing with your throat. Is that still a thing?
It's not a thing anymore, but honestly, haven't cared to really drink it. And this is looking like a bear flag still. Below that pivot.
I wish that not, but the man they call Mooser was here.
Please get me out of this. Oh, thank God. That was scary. Yo. I gotta breathe for a second. Your boy effed up. Your boy effed up.
You got a scuba tank back there. What did you went in and I thought there was a wick. I was kind of confused.
No, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. So yesterday trading at eval, I upped my contracts to 4 contracts.
Oh, okay, so you
Ma, bear with me right now.
he's holding the wall and it's after the trade. That was like, praise Jesus, thank you for seeing me.
Listen, if I would have stayed, I'd have been up crazy right now. But I'm like, wait, what just happened? How's it already $800 negative? I'm confused. That was scary.
If you stayed in, you'll be like, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go buy myself like a Ferrari, but not a red one. It's gonna be green.
Well, that would have been the 4,000 right now. That would have been 4,000, but golly, that was nerve-wracking, not gonna lie. I like trading big size when I do it purposefully. When you do it by accident, that's when it's like, oh no, what happened? Like, what's going on?
You were just wetting your whistle with that one. You know what I mean? You were just kind of getting in because there wasn't a flag. You were just playing the flow.
I was playing the flow, but I was looking at the 2-minute right here, and we went more than 50%. That's why I don't like flag plays after it goes 50% of the pole. But we were still pushing. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna take it because it should pay. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see. Because I was like, after it went 50%, I wasn't seeing that, but you were still all about hope.
Let me rotate to the next account. I was gonna take it.
570 on that trade.
Hey, go ahead, boy. Go ahead. Morning, undercover. Good morning, sir. We did break out. We did break out of the 15-minute range there for the low side. We pop back in. That's normal. Let's see if we get some follow through here. Take another short. Hey, let's go undercover. What firm? What firm, bro? I almost pissed myself this morning. Apex, nice, bro. Almost pissed myself because I upped my contract size on an eval yesterday. Forgot I'd change it back. Took a trade on funded. I'm like, how am I already $800? The market moved like one tick. Huh?
You got lucky though.
Bro, listen.
It went your way though. That's all that matters, Duane. It went your way.
I don't like the emotions. You know what I'm saying? Like, it scared me, fam. I'm real. I'm a real trader. It scared me.
I like when you make like $4,000. You're like, I didn't like that. It's like everybody else would be like, fuck yes. Dwayne's like, whoa. Like, what? And I'd be like, okay, I'm cool. Let's just go on to the next. Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Come on, Betsy.
Because right, we just got down to 23,504.
I'm hearing a commentator.
Yeah, I just muted G.
He has like a dude living in his house that just talks about the market on the side. He's like on the couch.
That's my boy Jordan. He's trading too. He's trading.
Oh,
He's trading now.
Oh, that's cool, man.
Yeah, we both trade. So.
Next month.
The more the merrier. Absolutely.
Next month for everyone that lives in Central Florida, or even if you're in Florida and you want to drive out to it, we're having a big traders meetup with all the market makers that you hear on the streams, everything like that. I'm gonna rent out some bays at Top Golf. We're gonna hit some balls. We're talking golf, and we're gonna be vibing. Looking at April 18th. April 18th. That's a Saturday. Mark your calendars.
Right.
We're gonna vlog it. We're gonna stream it. We're gonna do it all, and we're gonna have some fun. $170 on that account. Just rotating through these bad boys.
Actually, to quote, there's like a robot that comes on. Duane would like to see a flag.
I would love to see a flag. We're below that 500 level. So I personally want to get us pushed a little bit further away from that 500 level because market moves weird around those whole numbers.
Absolutely, and that's a big one too.
So
And we have 2.5 minutes until 10 o'clock.
Thank you. I wasn't even looking at the time. Man, time's flying today. You know, my heart started racing because I messed up. I was effed up today. But we cleaned it up and we're good. Thank God.
Well, the opening range was more than 46, so it's like a big day today.
Yeah.
For the times when like market opened and market really didn't open, it was kind of did it even start?
My first target was 466.25 below us here. So we're coming down to it. Let's see if we get another flag. Let's see if we get the flag. Take us lower down to that 466 level. The reason why I really would like to see a flag right now, personally, because I don't know about y'all, but I've taken a short at the bottom and got messed up, to say the least.
That was like my whole existence for like a good little while. It seemed like I was the one like, okay, the market maker, like Q when Steve goes in my door, go the other way. Like a U-turn.
Because when we see it dropping like this, it looks, oh man, just short. That's the wrong thing to do. You need to wait for some structure to show you that we're going to continue going down. Like a bear flag. Because that's what I'm currently waiting to see happen and print, so that way I can take another short. But I don't want to just take a short because I see it just going down. You know what I'm saying? Hey, awesome, bro. Awesome. 678. Love to see it. Hey, let's go.
10 o'clock right now, 3 seconds.
10 o'clock, 10 o'clock. There we go. Ooh, look at those Rinkos dance. Look at that buying wick on that candle. Don't take a short into a buying wick. Note to self.
Good morning, guys.
Hey! Hey, Mr. Mitch Silky, what's up, bro?
Chilling. How are you?
Another day in paradise, bro. How about yourself?
Same here. Another day. Got a pool deck clean. I mean, I cleaned it a while ago, but the guys just came and cleaned the screen. You know,
Okay.
better than me. So, they did a pretty good job. So I really appreciate it. You
They
know?
chemically cleaned it?
Yeah, they cleaned up the framing and the screens and whatnot. Good, like spider webs, and then just like the, I guess it was just the pollen and everything else turning the metal green and everything.
No, that's the algae. That's the algae.
That's
That's
Florida,
it.
baby. That's
Yeah, so
Florida.
now everything's white and pristine. So, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's like, welcome to Florida, but looks clean, and you like look at it one day, you're like, damn.
Yep. What's up, Tim?
Yo, who? See, is that you with the T, bro? Q? What is that? Who is that? Is that somebody famous or what?
Yeah, Steve, bro. He always changing his name on the Zoom calls.
I don't know who T Rock. Is that somebody we should know or somebody famous or what?
T-Rock, mother.
Okay.
My reputation precedes me. Yeah, turkey.
All right, we got 30 seconds. 30 seconds left on this candle. Well, actually, why is that different? Hold on, what's going on?
So far in the market.
I don't like that.
Green on 2 accounts.
Hey, good head. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
Guilty on all accounts.
That's weird. So my timer on my 2-minute chart on Ninja was completely off for the 2 minutes because looking at the 2-minute on the trading view, there's at 8 seconds, made the new candle, and then it reset on my 2-minute on my Ninja. That's weird. I'm gonna have to pay attention to that.
Wayne is gonna have like some insider information in a minute.
Alright. This will come into play here in a few minutes.
Come on, Betsy, give me another bear flag. I want that structure. Let me know we're going to continue lower.
But y'all see the big downturn we've been having since
Oh yeah. What's up, SS? Welcome. Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
like if you could hold a trade for multiple days on futures, Wednesday would have been the day to hold it since.
Yeah, that'd be kind of crazy. Well, you can hold if you're trading personal funds.
Right.
Coming back, we're getting real close to that bottom of that 15-minute range. Getting real close to it. Need those bears to start stepping in if we're going to continue lower. I want to see this nice structure here, but
It'll build like the nice flag, and it will just keep going.
oh, I'm not trying to put it up there.
I'll take it because, you know, on the sim account, we're up 15K.
Hey, just wait till that's in a real account for you, bro.
That'd be
You'll-
great. I mean, I had a 40K comeback because I was down, but, you know, bro was like, hey, I'm going to get that back. Respectively.
Yeah, smooth. Yes, for Forex there are prop firms. For Forex there are prop firms. Don't ask me which ones. I don't trade Forex, but there are prop firms for Forex. Come on, Betsy. Just want to make a couple more dollars.
Anybody got any plans for the weekend?
We were gonna go camping, but I think we're just gonna chill out and like work on the house stuff. But we'll see. It's gonna be all good.
I'm gonna be chilling this weekend as well. We were looking at going to DC, but we're not sure if we're going to do that yet or not.
DC would be fun. Much cooler temps, but it'll be fun.
Well, it's time to get that coolness in for the time that it won't be there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true. Oh, north gets a little hot.
I would go to DC with Wayne, but you'd be like, let's go to the Smithsonian. I'm like, sorry, we're closed. Is that like the Washington Monument? Turn away, man.
Turn away. Don't even look at it. Don't even look. Turn away.
Don't even point. Don't even point.
They won't even let you in the capital for real.
And it's like, let's go to eat. Sorry, we closed.
We close.
You have to take a helicopter to get to this restaurant because you're not eating here. Oh.
Thank you, Shay. Smooth. Look at Shay's comment in the chat. He just dropped a 4x prop firm for you. Yo, yesterday's workout was a solid workout, right? But after I left the gym, like 5 minutes after, I felt like complete death. I was sitting outside Chipotle in the parking lot, just like sleeping for a couple minutes.
You put that work in for real.
Oh, it was rough yesterday.
What did you work on?
Oh, yesterday we did push and pull. So we did chest and back
Solid.
with a sled as well, where I had to like row the sled back, get it all the way to the back, and then push it. Yeah, I think I had like 5 or 6 45s on the sled.
Those are 40 ounces of beer, so it's not as bad as you thought, and it was over ice because it was a sled, so.
Oh, jeez.
Stop rubbing my scalp. No, I gotta rub this so I don't click the button, bro. Like, I'm trying to not click the button until we get close to my yellow line. And oh Nelly's, we're getting closer.
Hey, you growing out your hair, bro?
No, I just didn't shave it. Moose is coming tomorrow.
We about to see some locks coming in? Or
Nope, no, I'm getting out. It's coming out tomorrow morning. Like, if I don't shave it before Wednesday, then I won't even touch it because Moose comes on the weekends. Where normally if I shave it like on a Monday or a Tuesday, cool, you won't really be able to tell.
Yeah,
but
you're just kind of keeping it down enough where it's not showing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did like a massive total body workout yesterday because my son was there again, so I was just giving him an assessment too. It kicked ass.
Nice. No, the workouts are definitely feeling good. I feel like I'm actually able to express my true power since it's like I'm in the gym by myself. You know what I'm saying? Like they were saying yesterday when I was doing the rows with the sled, they're like, does someone need to stand on that? Because I'm like ripping this bad boy. I was ripping it. He's like, one of the other trainers was like, I can stand on that if you need me to. He's like, bro, my trainer's like, bro, you have so much power. I'm like, yeah, I'm finally able to let it out. Because in a commercial crunch gym, like, you can't really show it. You know what I'm saying? Just being real.
You knock over 3 like people on their phones where you're like pushing something through. It'd be like a.
Yeah.
Wait, you go to Crunch Fitness?
I have a membership, but I now go to my trainer's gym.
Nice. I used to work
So-
at Crunch.
Okay. So when I'm in there with him, it's only me and him.
That's alright. That's really nice, actually.
For the entire gym. It's a big gym, too. It's not like a super small one. It's big. You know what I'm saying? There's 2 sides to it. And I love being able to have the whole place to myself. Because Crunch over by me,
Busy.
ever since they switched from 24 to Crunch, bro, everybody, their baby mama's there. Like, it's ridiculous.
Like the majority of the people in the gym are just kind of like you go in there, like I have my stuff at home. Same thing, and I just rather work out at home.
Yep.
You go to like a place like that, and it's like, you know, like not everybody's on the same page. It's like driving down the freeway. If everybody hits the same speed, you kick butt. But most people be sitting there like doing duck faces on their taking selfies and stuff rather than repping. You know what I mean? And stepping.
Yep. We're coming closer and closer to my yellow line here.
Is it close enough? That's the million.
No, it's not close enough. Not yet. I want to see follow through the line for me to jump in.
Jump.
Looks like we're building some nice structure here for another bear flag, which I'm all for. Tonight we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna be vibing. We're gonna be joking, laughing, the whole shebang, talking trade and talking life. Make sure you guys tune in. This weekend I'm giving some accounts away. This weekend. So I'm not saying what night, what time I'm giving them away, but just know the ducks are coming out. And for all my regulars on the Trader Hangouts, you know what that means. I do a duck race for the giveaways.
Hey man, you gotta make my duck a black duck, because that was some crazy action last time. I was in the lead and somehow I lost. Well,
Listen, I'm gonna, for all you guys on here, I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna know if you're gonna win or not. If you come out the gate super fast, guaranteed you're not gonna win.
Yeah, that's facts.
Okay, so I was on last night when you were talking about ducks, and then I text, because as I look out my window, I have my duck block outside, you know? So what are you speaking of, actually? Could I bring, like, one of my, like, 25-pound drake, and I throw it in the pool?
No, that won't work. That won't work. These are digital ducks, folks, and they race on the water.
And who controls the setup on them?
It's random. It's at random. I used to spin the wheel for the giveaways, and I'm like, the spinning the wheel is cool, but the duck race, it's fun. You know what I'm saying?
Yep, I understand.
Smooth. That's the plan, bro. They're gonna have to sub and they're gonna have to join the community for free and put their name. I'm gonna do a post in the community discussion. I'm gonna put a post on the community discussion where they'll have to like drop their name on it. We went up. We're back in the 15-minute range low now. That's a Rinko bars. Touch that 21 EMA. I'm still not very bullish right now. I would need to see a nice bull flag print for us. If you squint your eyes and look at the 5-minute, you can see a small bull flag in there, but I was looking for the bear play. Since we're below the VWAP, below the 21 EMA, below the pivot, you know what I'm saying? For everyone on YouTube, make sure you're liking the streams. We got 2 streams going on, vertical and horizontal, because I'm like, I want to make sure you guys can see me exactly how you want. You know what I'm saying? I'm a man of the people. What can I say?
And there's some people that turn their screen over so they can see you upside down. I don't know what that's about.
There's that selling pressure stepping in. I like to see that. I do like that. Let's see if we go to my yellow line. We have not broken my yellow line yet. That's what I'm waiting for right now. We break my yellow line with momentum. I'll be trying to take a short, right? But we also got this. I'll put this line above that 21 EMA. So if we get through that line up top, then I may take a long.
Your aim is, like mine's at 549. Where are you at? Please.
Oh, why did I move that? The EMA is at 537.47 on Ninja Trader.
Well, my ninja is showing something different, so that's strange. That is strange.
I would not take it long until we get above the 21 EMA. Above the 21 EMA. We're still showing some selling pressure here. Hey, bro, welcome. You're welcome, Kenneth. You're welcome, sir. I'm not going to say I told you so, but I think I told you so. I want to hold this buy all day. Tim, take your money and go, bro. I'm just saying. If you're green, make your profits and go. Gotta keep it safe. Gotta keep it safe, bro. Lock in the profit. Coming up. Oh, it's a eval. Okay, that's different. Do whatever you want on the eval. All right, there's the 21 EMA. There we go. Let's see if we get some structure right here to take us higher.
I'm out of here. I'll see y'all later.
Have a good one, bro. Have a good one. Undercover, good job, bro. Good job with getting another funded account. Congrats. I just took 190 on that quick little trade right there. That was on my Lucid funded account that I took a payout on Thursday with y'all. Or Wednesday? Wednesday or Thursday, I forget. And with that trade right there, that pretty much puts me right at $2,000 back in the account. So next week I'll base hit it. Take another payout on that account as well. Like I said, today I'm not risking it for the biscuit. I'm green in all my funded accounts. And that's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Bro, you don't have to say yes or thanks, man. You're the one doing it, bro. You're the one doing it. Appreciate it. I figured this would be a good stream shirt for today. To go into the weekend, you know what I'm saying? Like, the weekend vibes. Let me rotate over to some Apex accounts real quick, since we're here. Where's my copy trader? Oh, why did I do that? I made it too big. I'm trying to see which accounts I'm getting ready to copy trade. Are those right? I'm confused. Hold on. $164, cool. 165. I'm trying to get these accounts dialed so I can trade them real quick. So that's 2 accounts. Let's add another. Well, let's do 162 as well. Cool. All right. So that's 4 accounts getting copy traded. All right. We're back in business. Our playlist, you know what? Let me get a different vibe going for our stream this morning. Let's see what we got. What we want. What we want.
We haven't heard G sing his song lately. I mean, it's just kind of like a request. I mean, Jordan's probably heard it at his house. So.
I don't need it. But sure wouldn't mind hearing it again, though.
What's the song name again? I'll play it. No, it was with the dog.
Look, you gotta talk about something else, man.
All right, looking like we're getting a bull flag here on the 2 minute.
We need to go through your line with momentum.
Yes, sir. Come on, Bessie. Oh, where's why my mouse just freeze? That was scary. Let's see if we go through my yellow line. I'm dialed. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. On the Rincos, we're consolidating but creeping up at the same time. Right back to that 21 EMA tapping.
I just wish the EMAs were in the right spot.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not saying that yours is wrong or mine. I just want to comment.
If we stay below the 21 EMA, I'll be starting to look for a short. If I'm taking a long, we got to push through my top yellow line right here with momentum for me to take a long there. Broke out the 15-minute range. Oh boy, she started to look a little heavy.
She heavy, baby. She heavy.
Come on, a little bit more. I closed the 670 on 4 accounts right there. We'll gladly take that. Let me make sure it copy traded properly. Perfect. So I did 670 on 2 accounts, 690 on one, and 620 on another. Gotta love how that copy trader works. Let me rotate to a couple more. Let's see. 169 and 166. Let me copy trade those two. Why does that keep popping out? That's weird. Let's see, 169 and what did I say? Uh-oh. 166. There we go. Alrighty. Let's see if I can get these ones done. Your audio not working, bro? Oh, the audio's working. Yeah, it's working. It's working. You just gotta squint your eyes a little bit. You'll be able to hear me better.
Oh, dear Lord.
Oh. Well, let me turn that off. What's up, Travis? You snuck on in here, fam. How you doing today this morning, bro? Listen, this is still a big old bear flag right here, folks.
Oh, I see it.
Like, this is the flag right here. When that bad boy breaks, just know.
How about that 5 minute?
That's a flag, too.
I know, but you like the tire. Anyway. You like the higher time frames.
That I do. I do like the higher time frames for flags. They pay more money. Come on, break my yellow line market. You know what I'm saying? Like, stop playing with us. Like, just give it to us so we can take it. We can make some smonnies. My bad, folks. My bad. The market makers do listen and watch these streams. Literally, they're on the stream with me right now. That's the joke. Dad joke. Anyways, sorry about that, folks. Come on. It wants to go with that yellow line. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. Hit it with follow through. Hit it with follow through. Stop playing.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, girl.
Get heavy, baby. Come on. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. Come on, baby.
Got 135. That's on 2 accounts right there. The yellow line is my line in the sand. The yellow line is my line in the sand for my flags. So right here, that's a big bear flag right there. And we printed a small little bear flag in it as well. I'm currently green across all accounts. Green across all accounts today. Whoever's on the... Well, I didn't trade that account, but we'll probably trade that one as well. Just to say we did it, right? So there you go. That's on the horizontal. That's across all the accounts I've traded today. Simply base hitting. Base hitting right there. And actually, let me add it up. It's only 10:30. And I may be done executing trades today. I'm not leaving, but I may be done executing trades. All right, $3,400 for today. That's a solid Friday. That's a solid Friday right there. Not gonna lie. Actually, let me go to this one. I was getting ready. I got one account that I can take a payout on right now, but I'm not. I'm gonna probably just keep base hitting next week on it, so I could take it the 2 to 4K payout on that one account. Well, two to 3 grand payout on that one account. So I was thinking about rotating back to it, but I just cut myself off from that one. I may take a trade on this account if we get another flag with momentum. Rob, have a good one, bro. Enjoy your sauna, not sauna, the hot tub later as well. Solid week in the markets, even with the choppiness, everything like that. Kind of proud of myself of how I've handled myself this week. Let's see if we get follow through on that 5-minute line. We get follow through on that 5-minute line. Your boy may jump back in. Let me drop my contract size down too, because I bumped it at 3 on the last trade I did. Glad I peeped that, you know what I'm saying? Sorry for taking y'all to the gun show right now. I apologize.
The gun show and wiped us out.
My bad, folks. I gotta get the streams going again because they just dropped out, I think.
I mean, next time you flex that hard, the world is gonna blow up. So just stop it there, champ.
Well, it's saying we're still streaming. I don't know why Zoom keeps popping up saying can't establish connection. Just glitched? Yeah.
It was just a frozen thing, man.
Yeah, think I was in a trade. Oof, I've been pissed. Is everyone back?
I'm here.
Yeah, my bad, boys. I flexed too hard. The internet went out. I flexed and it dropped. And I'm gonna have to, disconnect my Ninja Trader here because my charts aren't moving. Let me make sure both streams are running still, because that was super weird.
Super weird.
All right, that one's going, so that's good. All right, so that's the streams are working. Let me reconnect real quick my Ninja Trader because that glitched that also. Yeah, I know. It's giving me all these like what's it called, like warnings, panic mode. It's like okay, there's Tradify, Lucid, cool. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. Oh, what's this? What is going on? Tradify. Unable to connect to remote server.
You must have had like something happen with your net, brother.
Well, the stream's still working. The stream is good. We're good here. I'm trying to get my computer back. My trading computer. I may have to close it out, reopen it. Let me do that. If this doesn't populate.
Population.
Unable to connect to remote server. Is anyone else having issues with like Tradeovate?
No.
Okay, so it's just me.
Well, wait, Tradeovate. Let me go over. Like, I am signed in. It's my Tradeovate's running just fine.
Okay.
I did try to sign in to Tradeovate because I realized I could sign in with my credential over there, and it wouldn't let me open the journal today. So I don't know if that means anything.
Yeah, because I keep getting this little message when I go connect. Unable to connect to remote server, login failed. And normally that would happen to me when Tradeovate's not working properly. Let me shut my Ninja Trader completely off. Close all windows. Send code. No, I'm not sending a code. All right. So let me try rebooting this Ninja Trader.
Ninja Trader.
Hey, thank God it happened after I was greening all the accounts. Like, I'll definitely take that. No, I don't want to update my Ninja Trader. Logging in now. Let's see if this works. Thank God I didn't lose y'all on the streams. You know what I'm saying? Like, my heart dropped for y'all, not for myself.
Oh, well, that's nice. So, you know, just do us a favor, and if you're going to flex again, throw a cloak on.
Yeah, my bad. Yes.
Duane Hulk smashed the internet. He showed us the true fury. That's why he has to be in the gym by himself. Because everybody starts, like, blacking out.
I'm going to give this another second. This is not what happened. All right, Replicanto popped up, but my charts aren't popping up. Come on. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not trading right now.
Trading. Well, you're not missing much right now. It's kind of a chop bill. Chop bill.
Oh, God. This is going to piss me off.
So are you still getting that same error about the server? What is it?
Oh, let me try connecting. Yeah, unable to connect to a remote server. Well, that's okay. That's okay. I'm a pivot. Let me switch over because your boy, I'll have to move some stuff on this computer real quick. But I will share my trading view. I'll be done actually trading for today, because when stuff like this happens, like no. Let's see. Great agginess. Aggie.
Echoes in my heart. I know drums of earth, they call my name. Nothing feels the same. Feels the same.
Being blocked by another program.
Okay, maybe.
Or did you check your connections on the dashboard? Maybe when it winked out, it like.
No, I shut it down, started it back up.
Yeah.
And nada. It's all right. We're going to pivot here. I'm going to get this better. Hey, $3,400 for today. I'm okay with that. I am definitely okay with that. I'm not complaining. So I flexed too hard. On today's stream.
Oh God, yeah, like that's what we need. Bigger ego for Duane, please. Bigger ego for Duane. Chipotle is not safe. They're gonna put in covered parking for you tomorrow.
Let's see. All right. Yeah, so that's good now. At least we got charts pulled up and we could talk about it, all that jazz. This is the oh, give me my line. That's the where I'll be looking for a short. I'm gonna restart this whole computer.
There's a Camarillo pivot. Let me see. Right there.
So we got that 466 level. That was my first target from the 15-minute range. I want to see his build a little bear flag right here and take his lower. Hopefully by the time it takes his lower, I could jump into the markets. Only up to date $3,400. And I can't trade right now. My computer winked out. I was drinking my water. Let me not do it. I was drinking this water. I was slightly flexing. And then my internet went out.
You told me, you spoke, and you actually invoked the power of your tongue, and we know about that, and you said, sorry about these guns, and then the servers just whimpered.
Yeah, the pow pow. You know what I'm saying? Sorry about these pow pow. And
The servers like just whimpered in cardio. The man's a beast.
Brett, I know, bro. Like, it's slightly annoying because I was looking for that short that already played out, but maybe it's saving me right now from myself. That's how I'm not going to let it frustrate me, because disruption always follows intention, right? So if you have good intentions to do something, a disruption is going to happen because it's supposed to come to stop you from doing what you intended to do. When whatever comes in to stop you, don't get mad about it. Try not to get frustrated. Once you realize it has to happen, you'll be able to push that much better. You'll be able to grow that much faster because disruption follows intention. So if you're intending to master trading, if you're intending to be the best you ever were on the markets, disruptions in your life will come to distract you, to get you off your game. So when they come, don't take them like, oh, why is this happening to me? It happens to everybody, and this is saying update complete. Okay.
You might have went through an update, some kind of chintzy thing, and it wiped it. Because I was actually trading overnight, and it shut down even though it wasn't supposed to enforce an update.
Yeah, intentions mean everything. Hey, Brett made almost 400. Brett, thank you, bro. Teamwork truly makes the dream work. Get ready for this short. Get ready for the short. I'm logging back in Ninja Trader. If we break this yellow line with momentum, I'll be taking a short if I was able to trade right now. Okay, we're good. It's starting to load. Yes. Okay, we're good there. Let's get Tradeify pulled up. There's Tradeify. All right, so we're back, but my issue is all my workspaces are gone. And that's the annoying part right now.
Have you ever just traded on Ninja on the browser, like in a time like this? Or is it like, that too hard to get going?
I've never tried, to be honest with you. I'm just gonna actually. Oh, yeah, why am I doing this the hard way? Let me close that. Okay, so clearly my computer had like some type of update.
Damn, it's so frustrating. It's like when they force that stuff. Just like a corner something in a server room with a.
No, I'm just glad I wasn't in a trade when that happened, because that would have had me sick to my stomach.
It's just these days, like sniveling idiots, like think their importance is in changing stuff. Like leave it.
All right, I gotta log back in. I was getting ready to try rebuilding all this. I'm like, wait, we have the workspaces for Legacy. Why am I not just reinstalling it?
Yeah, it's scary that it kicked it out of there.
Yeah, slightly annoying. Slightly annoying. But it is what it is. It's saving me from myself. The market maker's like, bro, you already made $3,400 a day. Take your money and get out of here. All right, perfect. The only thing now I have to go back and fix though is I'm gonna have to go back and fix my ATM strategy that I put together, because I would have lost that.
That's weird. It would scrub everything out specifically.
And my copy trade needs to be. I got a lot going on here. So they updated the copy trader. So I'm done copying trading today, so I'm not worried about having to deal with anything with that. Let me connect to Tradeify. Man, that thing pumped, huh? All right. So I got this back going. So we're good there. Let me put it back on the screen for y'all now. All right, so let's try making some more money. We got 10 minutes till 11. 10 minutes till 11. We're popping to that bottom of the 15-minute range right there. Let me get some lines. I need my doodle lines. If we're looking for a bull flag, we just had that nice strong pole push up right there. Let's see if we get some structure to take us higher. Disruptions follow intentions. All right, we're above that 21 EMA there.
Come on, Betsy. With a purpose, right? He's getting excited. Wayne started to bob his head. That means there might be something there.
No, it's the music. It's honestly the music right now, Steve. It's not anything with the market. It's just the music.
Okay, so there's no music on the Zoom, so you look really weird then.
Thank you for letting me know, because let me reset that. You're like, man, he's really excited.
Okay, there you go. Now it makes sense if you're dancing. Like you're really getting amped up in a trade. You're like, okay, come on, we're gonna go out and play. We're gonna like take it to the end zone.
I'm just waiting. I'm waiting to see what we get. I need some good momentum for me to take another trade at this point. With my computer going down the way it did, everything like that, I need it to be a textbook trade. And that's real. So the bulls just failed to hold that price up there. Coming down to this 21 EMA. We get below that EMA, I may take a short to the 466 level. 466.
Can you tell me your EMA since you just passed it?
The EMA on my 2-minute chart here on my trading views sitting at 500.
Okay, we're getting closer. I'm 506. So.
We're in the neighborhood. We're in the neighborhood.
Hey, neighbor.
Oh, this is one of my favorite songs for the night streams. I just like the beat to this. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
There's a 21 EMA.
I thought that was you singing the background vocal.
Let's see if we stay below this 21.
We have that big number in the middle.
Yep.
See, we would have tried to take a short a minute ago. Bye-bye. So, Duane, since we're at one of the king numbers, right? So, you like to see it up at least 10 in either direction before you even think of doing something.
Yep. 100%. Because when you're too tight to that 500 level, like, it gets dangerous.
It snapped back from 88 just like nothing.
Yep. Was that the bear trap right there? That's what I'm looking. I'm trying to see if this is going to be the bear trap for a bull flag to take us higher. Or are we building a bear flag on the 5-minute, small little bear flag? But we got to get away from this 500 level. I want clean and clear momentum. I can't wait to be listening to these tracks these playlists when in Portugal, sitting on the cliff, looking at the sunset going down at the end of the world. You know what I'm saying? Just vibing. You know what I'm saying?
So what time will it be for the trader hangout?
I'm gonna be doing a poll. I'm gonna be doing a poll once we get closer to that, because I will be like 5-6 hours ahead.
Yeah, it's like Duane at 3 in the morning. Hi guys, I'm going to bed even for me.
So we're gonna have to all come together and figure that one out. But
But I like on that, I'll defer to, I love to pop in, as you know, and I always support it, but I know there's some real rabid mothers that are on that thing, and so ask them the thing.
yeah, I told them we'll do a poll like early, end of June, early January, July.
Early January.
Yeah. Don't listen to me right now. My mind's all over the place.
Between June and January, we'll figure it out. But the trip is going to happen anyway. The poll might be after the trip. What do you think? I see both.
I see both as well. So now we just need to wait for the momentum to know what direction. Feel like this is going to be a bull flag, personally. We're looking that way, but we're in like this weird area right now where we gotta be very, very careful not to lose money here. I gotta see the full momentum to confirm what direction we're going to be moving in.
Well, with my doodles like that, like if you look at that and you pretend that they're on the 2 minute, it looks like the Bermuda Triangle. You know what I mean? If you
Yep.
look at the one-
The 5 minutes looking bullish. The 5 minutes looking bullish. Want to see that clean momentum so I can jump in on it. I need a fast swipe here to the upside if this is going to be a bull flag.
Yeah, it's gotta be decisive.
Okay, well, I closed that trade quickly. Put in some more money. Now I'm really done. That was the select funded account that I just got funded yesterday. So first day trading on 340, put into it today. Solid base hit.
Hey, thank you for everything, Wayne. I gotta go.
All right, Steve, have a good one, bro. I'm gonna be getting off here shortly as well.
All right.
Oh. So we did about $3,600 today, $3,600 withdrawn from the markets today across multiple accounts. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to do. Gentlemen and ladies, it's been a pleasure today. It's officially 11 o'clock. I gotta get ready to run around town, believe it or not, today. So I'm gonna leave it to you. You guys have a great rest of your day. Stay safe in the markets. Do not diddle in the middle either. And remember, follow your rules for your trading. Wait for your setups. That's how you can make money trading. If you don't follow it, if you don't master the psychology of this, you will not make money trading. Tonight, we do have the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time, where we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. Come join us. We're going to have some fun. And this weekend, I'm doing account giveaways with Apex, some loose ends, some Tradeify accounts. So make sure you're on the streams. Not telling you what day or what time we're doing it at, but we are doing those account giveaways. So tune in so you can get some free accounts if you win the giveaways. With that being said, family, be blessed. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Market makers, love y'all boys. Have a good rest of your day. And I will catch y'all later. G, Carmona. Be blessed, everybody.